Alright, I've already showed you guys how to do the batteries, how to get this gun working. Now we're gonna go into the Bob's jack plate, how to grease your jack plate. You can watch the videos on how we set up this gun. All I'm doing is squeezing the trigger right into the zerk, and you're gonna look right up here at the top and you see the fresh grease coming out. You know you're good. Keep all your fittings all nice. There you go. You see the grease coming right out of the top of the jack plate, and you're all set. Your grease gun fitting goes under there. This is the Dewalt electric, battery powered. I mean. Squeeze the trigger, put them in your fittings. Keep all your maintenance so your boat and everything will last. I'm going to go around and grease up all these fittings now.